In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter ESPP sales in TurboTax. Navigating through TurboTax to correctly input your employee stock purchase plan, or ESPP sales, can seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll find it's quite manageable. Let's jump right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to open TurboTax Online for the year 2025. Ensure you're logged in and ready to start working on your tax return. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Income section. This is where you'll begin inputting the necessary details about your earnings and sales. After clicking on Income, the next step is to access the Wages and Income Summary. This area provides a comprehensive overview of your income sources, making it a crucial step for accurate tax reporting. It's important to double-check that all your wage information is correct before proceeding. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Investments and Savings section. This is where your ESPP sales will be recorded. Click on Add/Edit to begin entering the specific details of your transactions. This part of the process is essential because it allows you to specify and adjust the details related to your ESPP sales. Once you're in the Investments and Savings section, you'll be prompted with a question. Simply click Yes to continue. This step is confirming that you're ready to add or edit your investment information. Now, select Enter a different way. This option allows you to manually input details rather than using any automatic data import features. Following that, click on Type it in myself. This ensures that you have full control over the information you're entering, which is particularly useful if you have specific details that need careful attention. After choosing to type in the details manually, you'll focus on the Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds section. This is where the specifics of your ESPP sales will be entered. Take your time to accurately input each piece of information related to your stock sales, including the dates, purchase prices, and sale amounts. Once all your details are entered, click Continue to proceed. At this point, TurboTax may prompt you to upgrade your account. If you need to do so, follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade. After upgrading, you'll be able to upload your 1099-B form. This form is crucial as it contains the details of your ESPP sales that you need to report. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to entering your ESPP sales into TurboTax. Remember, accuracy is key when dealing with tax documents, so take the time to ensure every detail is correct. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your ESPP sales entries in TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing!